Mark coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. Today's Wednesday, October 22nd or so, and I'm coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. It's just past sundown. Beautiful night, and it's been kind of a action-packed day. It was really blowing and had some precipitation this morning, but now you can tell it's settled down now and it's quiet. I kind of like that. Work day's over. I haven't made a video on the Baker's Green Acres page in a while, and I apologize. Had a lot of things going on. Good things, all good farm things. Learning a lot of new things and doing a lot of new things. We do have, for new people, we have a live chat discussion on Wednesday nights at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So it's coming up here pretty quick. And I probably am supposed to alert everybody every week to give everybody a reminder. But it's over on the other platform, the YouTube platform, Baker's Green Acres YouTube. And we start pretty promptly at 8 o'clock. And it's for all things homestead and farm related, small farm mostly. I don't know too much about industrial ag. And you know, we have a pretty good discussion. I really look forward to it. It's really that time of the year when I'm starting to clean things up and envisioning the ground covered with several feet of snow. Even though it's October, I know it's coming. And the end of next week, we're supposed to get some snow. Probably won't stay around, but I know it's coming. And every year that I do this, I'm in my 15th year now, I get a little bit smarter about how I do things, and I'm a little bit more prepared going into winter. So this year is probably going to be my best year. Got my wood in, got a lot of work done to the house. It's going to make it a lot nicer to live in. Took good care of my animals this year. Have all my pastured poultry off the field with the exception of the turkeys, and they come off at Thanksgiving time. Grazing has gone really well this year. I am not out there now because we had about 4 or 5 consecutive days of rain, heavy, and it was still. So a lot of the water just puddled up on the fields, and that's when I don't want to be letting the cows walk around in it because it'll do a lot of damage. So I have them up by the barn right now, and I planted a field up there for them with turnips and Sudan grass and pumpkins and stuff like that. So they're gorging on that. I'm going to keep them in tomorrow as well. And then I'll be out by the weekend. My goal this year is to be out until the 1st of December. And if I can do that, I'm going to have a lot of extra hay come next year. But I've really worked the system a little bit differently this year so that I'm not going to be, I mean, I used to be feeding hay now, you know. I'd have them up because I didn't want them out there to get hit by rifle bullets during hunting season. But anymore, I'm not worried about that. I know the patterns of the way people hunt and all that stuff, so I'm not worried about that. But anyway, there's so much to talk about. The reason I look forward to Wednesday nights is because I really enjoy doing what I'm doing. And I wish I could have about 25 people over to just sit and have coffee and talk about what we're going to do next and what worked, what didn't work, you know. And I like answering questions too, stuff I've done especially. It helps cement it in your brain when you can instruct somebody else. I am going to be announcing, if you don't make it over there, we had one person cancel on our class coming up November 1st, our Homestead Hog Harvest class, and that's where we start with live pigs. We go through the entire process, a lot of hands-on. We can have up to 9 students, and one guy was not able to make it, so he had to bow out. So there's an open seat, And I contacted one of the people that said, please contact me, and I heard back from him, and he says, no, I can't make it at this late date. It is a late date, you know, this is coming up pretty soon, not this weekend, but the next weekend. So it's unfortunate that that happened, but we'd love to have somebody come and fill that seat. So I'll be announcing that on the call-in show. That said, I just want to make sure people know that this is coming up, and going into winter, I'd like to have more interaction on the call-in show, and we'll see where that goes. Okay, it's Mark Baker's Green Acres. Remember, anyone can farm.